guys, welcome to Weta's World. Today is May 21st. It's about almost 9:30. That's what time my appointment is. I'm hoping this is one of my last maybe 2-3 appointments, I guess. So I think my midline is still off. Like, I think it's almost there, but it's not there yet. My 2 front teeth are as good as I think they're gonna get. The 2 teeth that I still am like, I don't really know, are like these 2. That's really my only complaint. Like, other than that, I'm like pretty much ready, like mentally, I think, to get them off. I don't know though, because that's such a process. They'll like pop them all off and file the glue off, and then they have to put the big thing in so they can take a mold of your mouth for the retainer, and then you have to wear the retainers all the time. So I'm not really excited per se to move on to that phase, even though it's like a way exciting thing and I should be excited. I don't really know how to feel. It's just a really weird thing. I've been in braces for over 3 years now, and I'm like the same like accomplishment wise, I feel like I'm kind of the same, even though I got a degree and God, I've worked so many jobs during this time that I've had braces. I think I worked every single job I've ever had except one during the time that I've had braces. I guess all we can do at this point is go and check in. So I'll check back with you once I'm done in there. Hi guys, I'm out of my appointment and not a ton changed, but some things did change. So we're getting geared up to have my final check next time in only 3 weeks. So, oh, I need to put my rubber band in, dang it. That's the one thing that stayed the same, was this thingy here. So this to correct my midline. My midline's so close, but not there yet. We were talking about this tooth, and instead of taking the bracket off and stuff, they just did these fancy wire maneuvers. So my top 6 teeth, I believe, are now banded together with like a figure-8 wire. So let me see if I can show you what that looks like. Ew, I'm so ugly. I should have not been ugly today. So if you can see, these 6 are wired together. I don't have a power chain. And then this tooth has a weird wire going through it. And before I left, I was like, wait a minute, that looks like it's gonna bring it lower. So I made sure and double checked and asked, because I don't want to be that girl that's like, oh, I know your job better than you. I wanted to ask about it. It's just, no, it's gonna bring it up. So take a look at that though. It's so weird. I think I just have the figure-8 ties on, so they're like, you know, like cute figure-8 crisscross. And I think my wires are different. They feel different, but that's mostly it. He said functionally he likes the way my bite sits, especially with me being a mutant and having some baby molars still in there. He said that if I floss them well, that they could last me till I'm 80, so that's good news. Next time should be my final check, and then maybe, possibly, this summer I will get my braces off. I don't have much more to say on this. This was an eventful braces appointment. They're telling me, like, you know, no pressure. Like, we're not rushing you to get your braces off. We just want you to like how it looks. So that's what's really important. I'm gonna go to the grocery store now. So thank you so much for watching. I have my list of braces episodes, all millions of them, down below in the description box. Make sure to leave me a comment. Give me your best estimate of when you think my braces are gonna come off, and whoever's closest, I'll think of like maybe a prize. I don't know that I could do like worldwide or nothing crazy. And the notification bell will help as well. It will let you know when I have a new video, and then you'll get to see my real final check. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Hi guys, it's me again. It's the next day. It's about like 11 a.m. and my wire actually back here has been poking me really bad. So I scheduled a little appointment so that they can fix that, because it's like really killing me and I don't want to come in on my days off. So I'm here today, so let's do it. Do you guys hear this music? Somebody just got their braces off and they like play all this music and roll out a red carpet and have you like just, I don't know, it's just kind of funny. I can't wait till I get my braces off.